Guys, in today's video, I've got a pretty good one here for you. I'm going to show you how you can make an easy extra $200 per month in your spare time, or just however much you want to work at it. You could probably even make even more money than that. Alrighty, and it's an easy thing to do. And if you're interested in that, how to make an easy $200 a month, well, stick around. We're getting ready to get started on it here right quick. So what we want to do is we want to come over here first. People that are new to my videos, if this is your first time, or anytime during the video, if you think about it, reach down there below and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one here today. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead also, and anytime during this video that you feel like it, you're getting some value out of it, reach down there below and mash that thumbs up button for me. I'd sure appreciate it. It will help my channel and the YouTube algorithm for my channel as well. Thanks, guys, appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this. This isn't going to be a long video, but it's a really good one on an easy way to make an extra $200 per month for yourself, or possibly more, depending on how much you do this. Site we're going to come over here to today, guys, to show you this is this one right here. It's called Mega Typers. And I mean, I'm sure anybody can type, right? Are you good at typing? All you have to do is be able to type 10 words per minute. And I think even a young kid could do that. So I think that everybody qualifies for this. And this should be able to be done from anywhere in the world, okay? Right up here in the address bar, you see it right up here, guys. It's megatypers.com. Alrighty, and then what you want to do is come here, and it says easy job, easy money. It says earn typer credits worth over $200 every single month, guys, and they can possibly do more than that the more that you work on this particular site or work with this site. And if we read a little bit about it right here, it says megatypers.com is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Our main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image to text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting and visually impaired to overcome Internet's visual talents. Now, that's not what I'm going to be showing you how you can do here today. Stick around. They've got something new on this channel that I'm going to show you, and that's how we're going to do this. It says here, we're currently looking for typers from all around the globe. So there you go. It's available everywhere around the globe. Okay? All you need to have to work with us is a computer and an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Can you do that? I think most everybody can type. Even if you're only using 2 fingers, you can type 10 words per minute. Our schedules are flexible, and you can work at any hour that you want to work for as long as you please. So this is not employment. This is I don't even think it's independent contracting. You just work whenever you feel like it, work however long you feel like working. The quicker you type, the more typer credits, which can be exchanged for a dollar currency, you can earn. It says megatypers.com is fantastic for stay-at-home mothers, parents that need a second job, students, and people in between jobs, or just anybody that wants to make an extra $200 a month. You know, pretty good thing, actually. It says how much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. So see, depending on how much you do, you could possibly make more than $200 per month with this. It says our top typers earn between 100 typer credits and $250 worth of typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from 45 cents typer credits for each 1,000 word image is typed, and can go as high as 1.5 typer or $1.50 typer credits for each 1,000 words typed. As typer credits can automatically be exchanged for a dollar currency on a 1-to-1 ratio, we may pay through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and even Western Union, guys. So I would say that you want to have a PayPal account for at least certain when doing this site, and use the same email to sign up with that you signed up with your PayPal account. And then what we want to do is you can just come up here and just click on it. It's free, guys. This is all 100% free too. You just click on the free sign up button right here, and it brings you over here to the registration thing. You just want to put in your email address right here. I'd make that my PayPal email address, and then pick a password, put your name in there, and payment type, click on PayPal or whichever one of these other ones you want. They'll even pay you in Bitcoin and Litecoin, you see right here, guys. And it's also, you got to have an invitation code that says you must supply a valid invitation code. And now what you want to do to get that is come over here to like Google, or you see I'm at Microsoft Bing search engine, and I typed in Mega Typers invitation code. And you can see that it gives you all kinds of different codes down through here. I mean, there's here's one right here. There's another one right here, right here. I mean, you can find them all down through the search results, and then you just copy that code, bring it back over, and paste it right in there. And then check this little box right here about third-party software. So it's strictly prohibited to use them on their website. It says the user account of people found using third-party software will be suspended without right to payment. Please click this, check that you confirm that you understand and agree with this. So you want to check that box right there. And then you want to fill out this little, check this little garbage robot box right here, and check that, and then click the register button, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you'll need to get that validated and come back and validate your account. Then what you want to do is you want to come back, and we're going to get signed in, and just come back and click on login right here. Now I've already signed up with my account right here, so I'll go ahead and log in right here. And when you get logged in, it sort of brings you to your back office, if you will, guys. And you can see right here, recently in May the 4th of this year, they increased the hourly rates. So you're probably going to be able to make more than the $200 per month, I would think here. And it shows you, like, they got statistics. They keep track of whoever's typing the most things right here. Then they got typer points. You got a lottery that you can get involved in. Here's your profile and payments. You'll want to make sure you get set up with like PayPal, and get your PayPal all set up if that's what you're going to use here, and so on and so forth. And then your typer points, they've even got guidebooks here with assistance that you can get. And then even affiliates, guys, you can click here and become an affiliate here with this site, guys, and even make more money that way by getting your friends and family members, or marketing it out there on, you know, free sites, and get people to come over and sign up here, and you'll make money even from them as well, on top of the $200 or whatever per month. But the one that we want to start with is this one right here, Typer Solver. See, it's brand new here. I'm going to click on that, and what that does, it says the fastest and easy way to earn more Typer credits has arrived. And that says right here, the last version of release was April 19th of 2021 of this. So you want to download this desktop software right here, guys. You see the link. It's for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. Unfortunately, they don't have one for the Macintosh computer. That's unfortunate. That doesn't mean they may not here in, you know, a little bit later. All right, so nonetheless, download this software and then get it installed on your computer. And then they have frequently asked questions right here. It says, what is this Typer Solver thing? It says it's a secure desktop application that allows you to, 1, get faster images so you can earn Typer credits faster, and number 2, better and more often solve higher paying images such as smart captchas and puzzle captchas. So you're going to be solving captchas. It'll be kind of fun. Something you can just do, and while you're eating dinner or whatever, you can just take your time and spend some time and fill out them captchas and earn those dollars, just like that. It says here, can I log in with the same credentials? Yes, you can. Can I use the web interface and the solver at the same time? Yes, you can. As long as you can type and solve challenges accurately, you may use both at the same time to maximize your earnings. But I want you to pay attention right here, guys. It says abusing this will be penalized with a permanent ban. So make sure that you don't abuse that application that you download right here and install on. You don't want to abuse this, or they will ban you off this site, ban your account, and if you had money in it, you're not going to get that money either. It says right here, what is the advantage of using the solver? You get more faster images and are able to solve higher paying images such as puzzle captchas, the ones that ask you to select cars, storefront, etc. The extra % we pay for solving smart captchas using our regular website is now an exclusive benefit of the Typer Solver. It says we're paying up to 150% extra, guys, for solving smart captchas and puzzle captchas on the Typer Solver. That would be that software that you download right here. All right, and then it talks about how can I run the solver, download the Typer Solver application, open it, wait a few seconds, and a silent install will provide, and you start with your desktop, on your desktop from there. So what happens with the balance while I earn while typing, which is it is paid out normally, everything stays the same, well, except you will most likely accumulate more balance and thus get paid more money by using the solver. All images you solve on the solver are computed towards your usual payout. It says what happens if the puzzle image provided doesn't work or has no solution. Click on Not Working button to get another one. So you're never going to run out of these. You just keep doing them over and over and over and over. And then you can actually see right here how many points you get, and you can see statistics. And see if you make their leaderboard right here. The last contest, the top 5 typers right here. And then up here, payout rates, and shows you some payout rates and stuff right here as well. And then down here it says the last thing here is I have other concerns and feedback about the Typer Solver. It says then just contact support right there, and then they will be able to help you with any problems that you have. And guys, that is the video I had for you today. That's a quick way that you can make an easy extra $200 per month, or possibly more, as you've seen. And it's an easy thing to do. So come over today, get signed up on this account, click the free sign up button, and get your account validated, and come back and begin to make your money over and over and over every single day, and you'll have a good extra amount of spending money, $200 to $300 per month, I would say. Alrighty, guys, if you like that video, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button. Leave any comments down below that you may have about this video, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell there right beside it. And if you want to see a free video presentation on a high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below the video, down there in the top of my description, where it says mentorwithkev.com, like you see there at the top of your screen, and come over and check out a free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today as well. Alrighty, well guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to watch these videos up here. See you guys later. Bye-bye now.